Hi everyone and welcome to the TriStar Hidden Treasures Jersey Box Break. Let's get into it. With 13 spots we have jerseys and stuff. With 1 spot we have Wild Bow Hunter. With 11 spots we have BBPK7. With 4 spots we have Always Working. And with 3 spots we have Billy Uni. Let's copy and paste our list on randomize.org. We'll be randomizing our list 5 times. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. On the top we have jerseys and stuff, and at the bottom we have Billy Uni. Alright, copy our new list. Alright, here is our new list with 2 spots. Oh, I'm sorry. Jerseys and stuff with the Cardinals and Falcons. Billy Uni with the Ravens. Jerseys and stuff with the Bills. BEB with the Panthers and Bears. Jerseys and stuff with the Bengals. BEB with the Browns and Cowboys. Jerseys and stuff with the Broncos and Lions. Billy Uni with the Packers. Sorry, I unhighlighted it. Jerseys and stuff with the Texans, Colts, Jaguars, Chiefs. BEB with the Rams and Chargers. Always Working with the Dolphins. BEB with the Vikings, Patriots, Saints, and Giants. Jerseys and stuff with the Jets. Always Working with the Raiders. Jerseys and stuff with the Eagles and Steelers. Wild Bow Hunter with the 49ers. Always Working with the Seahawks and Buccaneers. BEB with the Titans, and Billy Uni with the Redskins. Alright, let's open up our box. Sorry, I'm just getting more and more tired now. Alright. Seal. Alright, let's open up our box. I need to clear up this space more. I don't really have too much room to move. Right. Let me get that seal. Here is our seal. Here, let me make sure. There. I can't even see. Alright. There. Let's see what we have for a jersey. Red jersey. It's a big jersey. Alright. Let's get the box out of the way. You can see the card, but hold on. There we go. Here's the auto. It's inscribed. Let's see what it's inscribed. I think that says Heisman. Alright, it is Max Roser. Or Rosier. 2-time Pro Bowl. 2nd team All AFC. Played in Nebraska. University of Nebraska. All-American, Heisman, Maxwell Award, Walter Camp Award, Harley Award, Sporting News Player of the Year, and College Football Hall of Fame. Good credentials. Let's look up the name, see what team he played for the longest. His name is Mike Roser. Mike Rowe. There he is. See a picture of him? There's a picture of him. We'll go on Football Reference. Alright, it looks like he played for Houston for 6 years and Atlanta for 2 years. And let's see. Yep, that's him. Alright, so that is going to the Houston Texans. Let's see who wins that. That is Jerseys and Stuff. You win a really nice jersey right there. Mike Roser autographed jersey. I posted another break if you guys want to check that out. I have a break for $1 for the basketball breaks, 2 autographs per box. Mean a lot if you could check that out. I really appreciate all of you guys for joining. It means a lot to me. Alright, have a great day, everyone. Bye.